What's up guys, how's it going? It's been a while since I made a video, so let's do an E30 build breakdown. Starting with the exterior of the car, we're running some Moto GI wheels, don't know the specs on them, with some Motorsport hardware stud kit, some basic brakes. We'll be upgrading in the future. We have classic Euro parts, grill, a Euro grill and kidney with a KA Motors intake, headlight intake. For the engine bay, we have a KA Motors carbon fiber intake, some CA tuned hoses, Mishimoto radiator, Chase Base filler neck, and Chase Base brake booster delete and ABS delete. Some Ireland Engineering spark plugs. As for suspension, we have BC Racing coilovers, and I have a full Garagistic, either 80A or 90A bushings, suspension bushings. We also have this Garagistic heavy duty strut bar mount and some Mishimoto heat tape to protect against the heat. As for the interior, we have some Brom Racing harnesses, limited edition Brom Racing seats, as well as a Brom harness bar, which I'll be swapping out for a half cage. I got a flock dash with a NRG quick release and a Ireland Engineering hub. We got some password JDM blinker extenders as the hub spaces out a good amount, so it'd be nice to get them a little closer. Got some pedal house pedal covers, a Condor Speed Shop panel delete, Garagistic gauge pod holder, which I'll be putting gauges eventually. I don't know the shift knob, it's decent, not great. Mishimoto Motorsports front and rear door cards. Hard to see, but we got that. Got some rear seats, those are for sale. I don't know if I'll keep them or not. If I keep them, I'm going to match them to the Brom Racing seats in the front. Other than that, I want to give a massive thank you to my sponsors, Mishimoto, PurOl, Garagistic, and ECS Tuning, for supporting the build. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.